Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to Hollywood Consulting. Today we will focus on creating printed products utilizing Canva. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like the content that we are providing. Okay, so let's dive in. Here is my Canva dashboard. I'm going up to print products. And here you will see a whole bunch of products that Canva has available for you to print directly through them. You can create your own logos. They have templates that you can follow. You can upload images if you like. But as you can see, they have everything from coasters, flyers, t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, water bottles, so forth and so on. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down so you guys can see the various products that they do have while I'm looking at one product that I'm going to utilize to show you how this works. Actually printing a product utilizing Canva and their template. As you can see, Canva offers a variety of products from marketing, gifts, stationery. They even have access to clothing, so you can go and figure out if you want to do some clothing as well. And everything is accessible on their platform, and you can have them print and ship it out to you or whomever you want it to ship to. So I chose a mug. It's very basic. This whole idea is I'm going to just show you how this works. So here they have several templates. Mama needs coffee, which is cool. See, you can just take it, drag and drop, and boom, there you have that. This is actually an image that is not editable, so you can't edit this image. So I'm going to delete that. Let's look at something else. Here we have coffee time. This is kind of cool too. Another image that you cannot edit. That's okay. Because you can always go and take your images and, spruce them up a little bit if you really want to get into the graphics part of it. But I'm just showing you that this is possible at the very least. You can just do it and make your own merch and products yourself. Again, these are templates, and you can also upload your own images. Okay, so I'm just playing around with different images here. I can edit the text. I can put whatever I want. I need sleep if I want to put it above or below. So these are just cool things that you can do with Canva. I'm going to just play around so you guys can see how this works. Again, like I mentioned, you can upload your own images as well. Okay, so as you saw, there were various images to play around with. So I'm going to choose this one. What if I'm not like others? I'm going to play around with it, and then I'll proceed to show you how you would purchase and check out and actually have this printed. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the next phase, which is actually establish printing this. So I'm going to go up to the upper right of this bar here where it says print Canva, and then I'll click on that, and there you have it. It will show you mock-ups of what the actual design will look like printed out on the mug. The cost is $17.50 plus, well, actually it's free delivery, so $17.50 free delivery, and all you have to do is literally add it to your cart. Pay for it, set up, establish where it will be shipped, and that's it, really. So it's really not that complicated. Canva has made it very easy for us to just print products, whether it be merch or if you just want a one-off, and that's all. If you like what we're doing, please check out HWC Empowers Her digital courses we have available for $20. To learn more, you can scan the QR code right here. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know haven't done so already and would love to connect with us on all social media platforms, here they are listed. Also, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to continue to get notified of new content we have coming out. And as always, we would love to thank you for following us on this journey and continuing to be supportive of our entrepreneurship content at Hollywood Consulting. Thank you again.